Hello, welcome to my channel and another unboxing video for Only5Pounds.com. So while I'm just getting the stuff out of the box, please remember to like, comment, share and subscribe so you don't miss out. So the first item, diving straight in, and this is a pair of tongs. Really useful in the kitchen for turning your sausages, getting vegetables out the pan, all sorts of uses. And these are a replacement pair. I had a pair from Poundland, which my dear husband decided to leave on the frying pan and the burnt, so I had to replace them. So this next item is really well wrapped, and I like that with Only5Pounds.com. Everything comes really securely wrapped. And this is a Daewoo Bluetooth speaker, and that was just £5. I did show this in my previous Only5Pounds video, and I was so impressed with that speaker that I bought another one. So that one's going to go in the kitchen, and it's actually replacing our old cassette radio that we've had for years. So on to the next item. This is a stain remover soap bar, and having a family, you will always get all sorts of stains on our clothes, and I'm the worst one for spilling food on myself, especially when I'm wearing a white top. I'm guaranteed to spill something down my front. So this is just a soap bar just to help remove any stains on the clothes. Doesn't really smell of anything, but that looks quite useful, and that was under £5. I think it was about £1 or £2, but I'll put all the details in the description box below. So I've got a second pair of tongs. I thought as I was replacing the first lot, I might as well get two. And those were just £1 each. Just getting out the packet, there you go. And they're adjustable so you can lock and unlock it. So I've got two pairs of tongs for the kitchen. And those are just £1 each. So a really useful item. Right, back into the box we go. Let's see what we've got this time. And that is a phone case for my phone, which is a Samsung Galaxy S9. And the reason I like these cases is because I've got the attached ring on the back. So that helps you to hold the phone. And you can also prop it up if you want to watch a video. And I got that one in a lovely gold colour. And the inside there, I think that is actually real leather. That's what it said on the packet. And it was just £1.99. But they do them for all the other phones. They do them for all the iPhones and all the other Samsung Galaxy phones as well. This is a bottle of scent booster, and this was an impulse purchase. I just thought I'd try it. And I think that was £1.50, something like that. But as I say, I put all the details in the description box below. And that is, I think that's a sort of a floral scent. So you just sprinkle that into the washing machine drum, and then you add your regular detergent and fabric softener, and that's supposed to boost the scent. They do look a bit like bath salts. And that's a little bottle of scent booster, which will go in the washing machine. I'm just picking up the bits that I've spilt on the table. Don't want to waste anything. There we go, put that to one side. And as you can see, those are both from the same sort of brand. Let's see what's the next item we've got. So this is an adult colouring book, and I think that was about £1. And I absolutely love adult colouring books. When we had the first lockdown, I was feeling a bit fed up and miserable with myself. And these really helped sort of calm me down and help take my mind of what was going on. And that one is a Mandala's one, and I love doing those. I've got about 4 or 5 of them, so when I'm feeling a bit stressed and bored, I get my colouring pens out and start colouring. So this is a baking sheet, and that will be used to make cookies, biscuits, and that was £5. And it does feel like it's really good quality. I think it's enamel, but it doesn't feel flimsy at all. Really good quality, and it will also be good for getting pizzas out of the oven as well. This is quite a heavy item. I'll just move everything out of the way, and then we'll just unwrap that one. And again, you can see that that's really well securely packaged, which is something I love from Only5Pounds.com. They really do package things really well. So let's just open it up. And this is a beautiful vase. Now this is a bit bigger than I thought it was going to be, and it is quite heavy. And the reason I bought it was I was going to use it to put in my my hairbrushes and my combs and things on my dressing table. But as I say, it's a lot bigger than I thought it was. It looks really nice and it's quite heavy, so it feels really good quality. And that was just £5. Beautiful square vase. I'm just getting it out of the box just to show you what it looks like. So there we go. Quite a heavy base. Look at that, that's a beautiful vase. So that would be great for either real or artificial flowers. If you're using artificial flowers, you can put some pops, pebbles, a bit of gravel in the bottom and put your artificial flowers in. That will make a nice centerpiece on your table. Or obviously use it for real flowers. And it's a lovely square vase, really contemporary looking. And I can't believe that was just £5. I'm thinking you'd probably pay 3, 4, 5 times as much in a regular store. So this might be the sort of the penultimate item, I'm not sure. And this is a lovely apron, and that was just £1. I'm just opening it just to show you what it looks like. So it's a nice white cotton material with sort of a purple print. And if you can't see what it says I like wine with food. I think it says something like, I like to have wine when I'm cooking, and sometimes it actually gets into the food as well. Something like that. Something, you know, faintly humorous. So that's a lovely white apron with the sort of purple ties. And this is just a simple little doormat. And this is one of those ones that sort of traps the dirt on your feet, and it is washable. And that was just £5. Well, I think these might be the two last items, and these are absolutely gorgeous. These are black and white prints, and that one is the Eiffel Tower, and the next one is, I think, it's Tower Bridge. And what I love about these, I don't know if you can actually see it on the video, but they do have a sort of a diamante highlights down the front. So I'm just showing you a bit close to the camera there. You might be able to just about pick it up. And those are absolutely beautiful. And those were, I think, about an odd price, £3.67. So that's the one of Big Ben. You can just about see the diamantes on Big Ben. And those are going to go in my ensuite. They're absolutely gorgeous, really good size. And under a £5, I think they're about £3.67. Really lovely prints. Those are going to go in my ensuite. So that's my latest unboxing haul from Only5Pounds.com. There's the lovely apron and the tongs and the scent boosters and the stain remover and that lovely baking sheet. Really good quality that is. That was just £5. And the lovely speaker, really impressed with that. That's a Daewoo one. And my lovely colouring book. So I'm really pleased with everything. So thank you for watching, and see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.